Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today in this quick video I will show you how to connect your Godaddy domain to Framer. So guys, this is easy method you can do. Just for example, this is my domain, and copy this domain and go to Framer, and this is my project for example. And what you can do guys, go scroll down easily and you find this options as you can see here, and click on this icon guys and scroll down and you find here plugin and code and preference and site. Click on site setting and go to domain, this option domain. After that guys, copy here your domain and click connect your domain option and copy your domain and publish it. This is what you can do guys, and click on connect domain as you can see here. And you should have a premium plan guys to connect your domain. This is how you can do guys. Subscribe to my channel for more.